The University of Alabama uses Outlook to communicate with students, and you need to know how to create folders, archive emails, and other tips to organize your mailbox. Your Crimson email was given to you when you became a student at the University of Alabama. It is where you'll get emails about classwork, information from the university, and news about extracurriculars. Students will get a lot of mail to their Crimson email. So, it's important to organize your mailbox so you don't miss any important information. Students can utilize folders to help organize their mailbox. On the menu, find your email and right-click it. Then you will be able to choose to create a new folder and give it a name. Now you can choose an email and add it to that folder. Another way to organize your mailbox is to archive old emails. You can do this two ways. You can select an email and then click the Archive button at the top of the menu. Or you can select an email and click the backspace key on your keyboard to archive it. Other options on how to organize your mailbox are to trash old emails or report emails to spam and junk folders. With so many emails coming into your inbox, it's important to use these tips and tricks to keep your Outlook organized.